This question is a representation of geometric progression. Let's go through it together and see what it is. It says four numbers are in continued positive proportion, where the first and the third are 4 and 36 respectively. Find the fourth number. We don't know the series, so we're going to assume the series to be 4, x, 36, and y, where 4 is the first number according to the question. We weren't given the second term, so we said the second term is x. 36 is the third term as given in the question. We don't know the fourth term, so we assume it is y, and that is what we're looking for. We are looking for the fourth number, and that is the value of y. So the series is 4, x, 36, and y. Where x and y are unknown, we only know the first being 4 and the third being 36. Another thing we know from the question is that the numbers are in continued positive proportion. By proportion, it means the division between a term and another is equal to same kind of division between another term and the other. In other words, the common ratio in this series is positive, and that gives us the idea that it's going to be a geometric progression. So we can say the common ratio equals to x over 4 second term divided by the first term, and it's also equal to 36 over x, the third term divided by the second term. So if we make x over 4 equals 36 over x, we can cross multiply to obtain the value of x, so that x times x gives us x squared, and that is equal to 36 times 4. X squared becomes equal to 144. To obtain x, we find the square root of both sides. So that x will be equal to the square root of 144, and the square root of 144 is 12. So x equals to 12. The second term is 12. But that is not our focus. Our focus is to find the value of y, the fourth number or the fourth term. If we put x into this equation, it means we can obtain the common ratio r to be equal to 12 all over 4, and that is 3. The reason we did not take the negative value of the square root of 144, because by taking the square root of both sides, we are meant to take the positive and the negative value of 144. But we discarded the negative value because negative 12 will give us a negative common ratio of 3. But the question says the proportion is positive, so we are dealing with just the positive value of the common ratio, r. Now, the common ratio is not just equal to this, it is also equal to the fourth term divided by the third term. That is, the common ratio should also be equal to y divided by 36. If we agree that r should also be y over 36, then let's find y. To obtain y, we cross multiply. Y will be equal to 36 times r, and that is 36r. Now we can put 3 in the place of r to obtain y. So that y equals 36 times 3. 36 times 3 is definitely 108. So the value of y is 108. Y is the fourth term. So we have successfully found the fourth number as the question has requested. And that is the answer to the question. Very simple and straightforward. I know you enjoyed it, you understood it as well. If you did, then here is a simple one for you. What term of the GP 2, 2 root 2, 4 is 128? If you find the answer, feel free to put it in the comment section and I'll be there waiting for you. Thank you for always supporting Knowledge Base and hope to see you in our next video.